Miguel Survey. Thank you so much.
And of course, makakalimutan ba namin, thank you so much, Glimmers, and especially po, Dama Dama, thank you so much po. Alright, grabe naman, that was Sparkle Litzy! Hello guys! Hello, Patricia! Grabe, na-miss ko. Facebook page po, Litzy PH, at sa aming pa pong other social media accounts at standout_Litzy, and individual accounts po, Litzy_Abby, Litzy_Mike, Litzy_Jenny, Litzy_Avery, and Litzy_Ayumi. Exactly. So, no, wala si Ate Ayumi. Actually, si Ate Ayumi. Si Ate Ayumi po to. Iba na. Yeah. So, yeah.
Ayan, good